Welcome to Top 4 Earn channel.
Hey, quick question for you. If I show you a niche and a way to make a video without ever showing your face, even if you only have 24 hours, will you promise me to make your first video? Comment down below. I am going to make my first video. Now, my name is Andy FL. I run and manage 4 YouTube channels where I don't even make the videos myself, and I'm about to reveal one of them to you today. And you might think that you have to show your face, but actually you can do this without ever showing your face. You may think that you need to have the perfect accent and a proper English, but actually you don't even have to have a good accent. You can have a really bad English accent and still do this. And you might even think that if I sneak up behind you and hold your finger and tap all the buttons for you, for some reason you'll still not be able to be successful on YouTube because the learning curve is too steep. Now I have a question. Do you have a smartphone? Did it come with a manual? No? Well, isn't a smartphone a pretty complicated piece of technology? You're the same person that figured out how to use a complicated smartphone, and if you just see that you could do that, it will help you realize that in fact you can make videos. And I want to empower you to just imagine that the next time you're eating dinner with your family, your friends, you can say, I have made a successful YouTube channel and it's making more money than my full-time job. And I remember when I told this to my family, I can remember their facial expressions and their happy faces when I said that. Now, if you stay all the way to the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a bonus to make even more money faster. So you can make money online, travel the world and work from home with just your laptop and internet connection. But before that, if you like videos on how to grow, monetize and automate a YouTube channel, slap that subscribe button and tick the notification bell to join the niche, which is the travel niche. And here you see one of my YouTube channel called travelandpleasure.com. Now, as you can see, if we just go on the videos, I haven't really posted on this YouTube channel for 2 years. This is an extremely good niche, and the reason this is really good is because in the travel niche, there's so much money. Think about the hotels, the flights, the eating, all the people, they really love spending a lot of money in this niche. And that means that you can make a lot of money in it as well. And I'm going to prove to you right now that this is my YouTube channel, so I'm going to switch the account to my actual account, but I'm going to blur it right now so you don't see all my other channels. But as you can see right now, I'm inside. I can customize this channel, and we're actually going to go into the analytics here to show you exactly how much it's making. So this is October 2nd to 29th, the last 28 days. You can see that it's made about $163, and I'm going to explain why I'm not continuing with this niche. But you can see that I literally posted a couple of videos back here, and this is with my own voice, and then we did a couple of, outsourced tasks. But the reason that I stopped this was mainly because I'm not really passionate about it. I have multiple other YouTube channels that I'm way more interested in and fits my personality. And for me, I love traveling, but not necessarily the top 10 travel things. I want to more find the underground, hidden spots that you can only find through local people that I meet and ask. But that does not mean that this is a bad niche. You can see that my competitors are trying to get views from me, and you can see that it's been going down for the last 3 years that I haven't uploaded. And I might revive this YouTube channel in the future. You can see that I made around $9,000 just from the AdSense. I actually made way more money, and I'm going to share with you that at the end here. I also wanted to show you a different YouTube channel in this niche called Touropia. You can see that they have 475,000 YouTube channel subscribers. And this is essentially what my YouTube channel would be like if I continued with this. You can see that 25 most beautiful destinations in Europe, 10 blessed places to visit in Indonesia, 10 blessed places to visit in the Philippines, and this is the best part. You get content from all the different countries. You can just do top 10 this country, this country, this country, this country, and that's what we did. You can even see here 1.5 million views 3 months ago. around medieval towns of Europe. Very cool keyword right here. And this channel is making anywhere from $3.9 thousand to $33,000 monthly. They're getting about, it seems like 100,000 views each and every day. Total views, they have gotten 77 million views. Now, you might be thinking when you start out, the only way to get monetized is through AdSense. You know, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours to get monetized to get into the YouTube Partner Program. Personally, I make way more money through other monetization strategies that I'm going to share with you in a second. I wanted to share with you this other YouTube channel that's called Mojo Travels. And you probably heard of Watch Mojo before. And now what's very fascinating is that they have gone into the travel niche. If we head over to Social Blade, you can see that they're getting about 840,000 views per month, and they're getting about $1,000 to $9,000 each and every month from this. And obviously, when you think about this YouTube channel, they're not showing their face. They're not using their own voice even. They have hired other people to do this for them. And you can see that they're making the exact same type of content with images zooming in, this picture going down, that is all copyright free. And my question to you, is this a niche that you want to start? If you do, comment down below, I want to make a travel channel. Now, step number 2, generate videos. So why do you want to generate videos? Well, if you have 0 videos on your YouTube channel, you have 0 chances of success. If you have 100 videos on your YouTube channel, you have 100 chances of success. A lot of people think that success equals luck. You have to be lucky in order to make money online or be any success whatsoever. The cool thing is that you can influence luck. I do agree in some regard that luck is involved, but if you play 1 time versus if you play 1,000 times, luck is going to be in your favor. And what I mean with generating videos is to go to a website called Fiverr.com or Upwork.com, where you can hire people for very cheap to make the videos for you. Now, if you don't have any money, don't worry, you can get started all for free. When I first started, I actually talked into the microphone on my phone. And why Fiverr or outsourcing is important is because, in my opinion, writing and researching is the by far hardest tasks. And you've probably done this before. If you have a Word document and you can look at the Word document and you see that blank cursor just blink at you and say, yo, you gonna write something good or what? I'm like, get out of here, dude. Now, for me, I want to go in here and search travel article, you know? And with this, you can literally find, I will write a creative blog article about your travel destination. I will write a fun and engaging travel blog post article, write a city travel article blog for you. And there are so many people that want to and love writing around travel. That's actually one of the easiest writing gigs that a lot of writers really want to. And that's when you can actually get the price very cheap and make sure you get an article that is also cheap and good at the same time. Another website that I really enjoy is Upwork.com. I use this mostly. I use this right now, my entire automation team, and I have many hiring contracts on this platform that is producing me a lot of money. And you can hire people right here very simply. Now, this is only for you if you have more money than time. If you have more time than money, you can do this all by yourself. And how you do it is essentially go over to a website called pixabay.com, or you can go to pexels.com or unsplash.com. Here you'll find a ton of free images. And if you just search for Norway, Oslo, my home country, you can even find a picture of the Norwegian castle. And a fun fact is actually I was a king's guard. Yep, here you can see me hating my life. Do you see the pain in my eyes right here? 5 hours off, 3 hours on, standing up and down. However, I gotta say I was pretty proud of my country. So you use images like this. You can even go up here and search for videos. And here you'll even find an animated video about the Vasa Museum which has a lot of Viking shit in it that you could definitely add to like a top 10 things to do in Oslo. You can easily use this for free commercial use, no attribution required. If you're going to use copyrighted videos, make sure to only use a tiny bit of that copyrighted work, less than 13 seconds. And the majority, and about 80% of your video should be copyright free, and that will go directly under fair use, no problem at all. And if you're wondering how to put them all together, one of the best softwares that you can get literally for free, that is kind of like iMovie, kind of like Windows Movie Maker, just a lot better, and in my opinion a lot easier to use, just released a free version. This is DaVinci Resolve 16, all for free, and you can do everything you want with just this free version. So when are you going to take action on this? When will you start producing your first video? As you learned, it doesn't really take that much time, right? You can get started with this really fast. Even you can finish it today, right after you finish watching this video. I'm just here to give you a tiny little push to actually take that first step, because everything happens after you take that first step. Now, step number 3, monetize without AdSense. If you start right now, you need to get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in order to get monetized and make money from ad revenue, right? However, if you get started with other monetization methods, you can get started right away. You can start making money today if you just get a couple of views on your YouTube video. So imagine just starting right now and immediately you can start earning with your YouTube channel. It's pretty much a lot better, because getting to 1,000 subscribers can obviously take a little bit of time. So the way you monetize a travel YouTube channel like this is my favorite strategy. When I was doing this exact thing, is to do specific country located hotels. What does that mean? The first affiliate program we're gonna look at is actually Nomadic Matt. So if you don't know anything about travel blogging, Nomadic Matt is probably number 1 of the male travel audience. It's been around for probably 10-15 years right now. And he does sell courses in order to travel and make money while traveling. So for example, if somebody uses your affiliate link to purchase the Business of Blogging course for $99, you'll be paid $29.70. Now he does actually have a monthly recurring program, so you will get monthly recurring income for that. Obviously this is a course. The next step would be to sell, for example, a plane ticket. However, this is a little bit harder, and I didn't really see much success with promoting Skyscanner or Expedia, as I'm checking out right now. One of my best ways was exactly what I was saying, was specific country located hotels. So that means, for example, when I was going to top 10 things to do in Jamaica, I would have 3 links in the description. I would have budget, comfortable, and luxury. Those 3 things. And the good thing about booking.com or Agoda, that's also a really good affiliate program, is that it doesn't matter if they pick the luxury option, it doesn't matter if they pick the budget option. If they just click on the link, the cookie will get tracked for 30 days. So that means that if they come back and they order another hotel, even if it's not mine, I will still get the commission for that. The same goes with hotels.com. The same goes with Agoda, which was one of my highest earning ones, and it's still making my money. And I have 2 more methods that I want to show with you guys. The first one to last is the TripAdvisor affiliate program. So you probably know TripAdvisor already. They have flights, they have tickets to a lot of these tours and stuff like that. And that's what mainly I used it for. Tours to, for example, the London Eye, or Halloween things going on in London, or the scary house in London and stuff like that. I use this affiliate program, and you can sign up really fast right now if you just go to cj.com, and you can get your link pretty much instantly right now. The last one that is actually one of my favorite is Airbnb. So here I made a lot of money through Airbnb. They don't have the most lucrative affiliate program. Actually, their fees are quite low. However, it's one of those things that a lot of people use, a lot of people love. For example, when I travel, I always go to Airbnb, and I'm actually in Greece right now, and I found my apartment on Airbnb. So I'm wondering, can you see yourself selling any of these affiliate products to make money with your YouTube channel? Does it make sense to you to make these no-face videos and make a top 10 travel channel?